We've got a little bit of a charity job on this morning. The local rugby club has been changing the floodlights of the cherry picker and got it stuck in the field. So they've asked me to come and just push it out for them before the match at the weekend. Just see it over here. I think it slipped off some track matting or something and got stuck in the mud. Just going to pick the whole thing up instead and just lift it out for the chaps. That's now out, back onto some boards so they can carry on. I just said to the blokes, I said, you know, why on earth are you doing it when we've had all this rain in the middle of winter? Why don't you wait till the spring? And apparently they've got funding to change all these lights to LEDs, which is a brilliant thing. But if they don't do it now, they lose the funding. So they're having to do it now and work in like not overly fantastic ground conditions. And you know, if they get stuck again, they're gonna have to ring me again. But yeah, it is what it is. Hopefully they'll get it done anyway. Next job, we're planting some hedges. I'll tell you now, if you want to lose some weight like I do, you need to plant some hedges. So I'm planting loads of different ones: hawthorn, blackthorn, holly, all the way up here. It's actually quite a hard job planting hedges, but it needs doing. All tarmac's being done in the car park as well, so we'll have a quick look at that. We're back at the yard, and I need to make a modification to the trailer. Yeah, go on. So under here, we've got this big steering axle, just here. And as I said in one of the previous videos, the chassis has to be narrowed for it. So obviously the wheels don't hit the chassis. Anyway, right. So up here, these are the hydraulics for the rear. We'll have a look at that working in a minute. These are the hydraulic rams that lift them up and down. One that side and one that side for the floor. So we'll have a look at that. Good thing about these now is when they're on there like that and you've got a bale of straw on the back, this bit of floor comes up to here. So the old bars used to come down here like this and they used to get in the way. So now you take them off and then they just hang there like that. And they don't hit the floor anymore, so you can't bend them. So that's much better. And then it makes the trailer floor flat. So on the back here, at night time, you can just see this, but say if it's someone using the trailer who's not sure how to operate it and has got to read all this, they can't see it. So I've got these LED number plate lights. That one's going to go up there. They're going to face like that. So that one will go up there. And that one will go around there somewhere. And it's just going to be wired into the lights. So when the lights are on, this is illuminated at night. So you'll be able to see. So we're going to screw them in and just wire it straight into the box at the back there. So it's very easy to do. And see what it looks like. A couple of people in the comments were looking at this box and saying it's just going to fill full of water and rot out. But unfortunately, we're a lot cleverer than that. One hole, another hole up there, another hole there, which lets the water and any bits of muck out. So it's all good. And then if you just look up there, you can see the box just nice and neatly tucked in there, so it doesn't even affect anything underneath. Back under here, we've got the equaliser. So this bar here, if it's got weight on it, just cool because it makes funny noise, isn't it? We just pull that through there, and then we can add it to these cables and into this box. Come on. Oh, this is going all right, isn't it? Nice and easy. Just push them onto that bank there. That's that done. My dad's now going to start the tractor up and turn the lights on and see if I've wired it up right. Oh, look, they're on! On! Oh, look at that, look. Beautiful. We don't want it too bright. It only wants it enough to see it, because otherwise you'd see it going down the road. But a nice little touch there. Lovely. So on the back, we looked at the legs, and I was saying last time that the legs used to stick out here and they were fixed. So now if we pull that out, we can either fix them just there, like that, or could sort of just leave them hanging there, like that. So when the ramps come down, the ramp will come down like that, and they will just sort of automatically go into place. But I'll have to give that a try, because I'm not sure how it'll work just dangling there like that. Should be alright, or you should be able to lock it in. So overall, some real positive modifications. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using it. I've got a few jobs to do, but it's near Christmas, isn't it? And yeah, I'll use it next week when I get 5 minutes and see how we get on. Just found another job we've got to do. I think the hydraulic cylinder's split. Can't see where it's coming from, but it's coming from there somewhere. So we're going to have that ram off and welded up. The head for the sprayer is about ready to go back on. The old Massey sprayer. We just cleaned it all up, put all the stud bolts in for the head to go back on. Got to put the radiator in first. But we've got a few little modifications to do on the lathe first. With the pistons up. Look alright actually. Next problem, these studs for the exhaust manifold are all seized up and old, so we're going to make a new one on the lathe. Right, we need a bolt that size, but it's quite easy when you got all this lot. Just walk along. There we go. How quick and easy was that? I haven't got to spend half hour trying to find one. That in there like that. And we're going to lathe the end of it off. Need to get all this sorted out on here, don't I? It's a bit of a bloody mess. A little bit more. This is what we don't like, a mess. She's a little bit too fast. Just knock her down a gear. There we go. Last little bit. Just need to tap the end now. In one of these, want that. I probably want a smaller one actually. I just need to run that in. Which one of these do I want? Can't remember which one it is. There it is, that one there. Go on. If we just give it a, keep turning it around, that should cut that thread. And we'll take it out. Voila. That's what we've replicated. Old one seized up, new one ready to go in. Bit of copper grease. Like that. Oh, is that gonna fit? Oh, yes. Then put the nut on. And that's about it. How you looking, David?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Drain the oil out of it.
Pipes on anyway.
Got the pipes on.
Yeah.
Ready for the radiator to go in.
Yeah.
And ready for the head to go on now. I want the head gasket, don't we?
Yeah.
We're saving this for tomorrow now. I'm just emptying the other sprayer, one of the contractors, so it don't freeze up. Just making sure the water's all out of it. Now it's finished. I'd finished it spraying. That bit in there was obviously where the new dryer was going to go, but that plan's had to be put on hold because we've been concreting the yard instead. Literally, I've just mentioned concrete and the cat's turned up. Cat! Now what on earth's going on? We've got some Christmas trees and gas balls.
Merry Christmas, Tom!
Hello. Anyway.
Literally couldn't see where I was going.
Why not?
Well, because the lights just shine at the man cave.
It's a good man cage, though, isn't it?
Lovely man cave.
That come from AgriLink.
It did. It was a freebie as well.
Hello? Right. I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching.
What's happened in today's video then, Tom?
I've been doing some lathing.
Lathing?
I've just put a light on the low loader. I've done some lathing. I made some studs for the new head.
That must have been a tricky day. I've seen your lathe. There's always stuff
Oh, we've just been talking about that.
It needs a bit of a tidy up, Tom, if I'm honest with you.
We've just been talking about it, and it is on the to-do list, and it is going to happen. But I'm hopefully getting a CNC plasma cutter.
We hope, don't we, Tom?
Yes. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Goodbye.